Wanna make some Google money fast? Since you're watching this video, more likely you're looking for ways to earn money online, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make $175 in minutes with the use of this Google hack and make fast money online. The process is fairly simple, but there could be some details that you'll miss out if you don't listen closely and watch till the end. I'll be sharing some bonus tips and shortcuts towards the end to help you have a hefty income on the side and make money fast. But don't worry, this is beginner friendly. No special tools or expertise will be needed for this process. This will also cost you $0. There's no need to pay to get paid. All you need is a PC and an internet connection, and of course, your undivided attention, so stick with me as I reveal how to make $175 or more with this Google hack, so you can make money online fast. First things first, welcome back to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to earn money online regardless of background and expertise. If you're excited to make Google money fast, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments what other kinds of money-making content you'd like to learn. While you're at it, make sure to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our fresh uploads. Now, let me tell you about a website called Shrinkme.io. If you haven't heard of it, Shrinkme.io is a tool where you can create short links which, apart from being free, you can get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. How can you start making money with Shrinkme.io? It's just 3 steps. Step 1, create an account. Step 2, create a link and post it. Step 3, make Google money fast. It's just that easy. But I don't want you to get lost in the way, so I'm going to walk you through the details of each step later. Shrinkme.io also has a referral program, which is a great way to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 20% of their earnings for life. To date, Shrinkme.io has 1,744,984 registered users and 16,414,770 total URLs created, and a whopping 80,666,677 total clicks have been made on this website. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about what you'll get when you join this community. Once you sign up, you get a free dollar. I mean, it's kind of rare to find a company that pays you to sign up. They also have a low minimum payout of $5, which is attractive to a lot of users. That means you are required to earn only $5 before you can cash out, and this can all be done online through PayPal. Another bit of good news is that you can make money fast with your payment frequency because it's not monthly, not weekly, but daily. How great is that? You don't have to wait for days or weeks to get your money. What's more, they offer a wide variety of payment methods: Bitcoin, PayPal, Payeer, WebMoneyZ, AirTM, and Perfect Money. And if you're from India, you're in luck because they have UPI, Paytm, and bank transfers. It's good to note, though, that the payout rates are dynamic and depend on the advertising income that they receive. So sometimes the rates may increase or decrease for some countries without any prior notice. Since we're already talking about payout rates, let me teach you how to make Google money fast. Some users ask, is it okay to ask people to click on my links so that I can make money? The answer is no. It is essential that the user should click on your short links for the sole purpose of getting to the destination website and not because they were solicited or forced to do so. Which brings me to my bonus tips. You have to make sure that your clicks or views are counting by taking note of these things. First, your visitors must be unique within 24 hours. That means if a visitor clicks your link over and over within 24 hours, it will only be counted as one visit. Next, visitors must have JavaScript enabled. I won't go into detail, but in essence, this program allows the web pages to be interactive. Third, visitors must have cookies enabled. This is important because cookies are created to identify a user when they visit a new website. 4. Visitors must have disabled ad block. This is to make sure that requests to download content into the browser are allowed. 5. Visitors should not use proxy or VPN and they must reach the destination page. Meaning, they have to wait for the website to actually load. They can't just click on the link and click away. Another important thing to remember, this is number 6, is that you should never use click fraud because you can get banned. Before I get to the juiciest part of the video, let's take a breather and give this video a triple thumbs up and let us know in the comments which part you enjoyed the most. And if you do, tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated with the best online money-making trends. So, let's talk about this Google hack. This is what really helps you earn money fast. Based on what was mentioned earlier, you now understand that you have to drive a lot of traffic to your link so you can make Google money fast. So how do you do that? Just do a simple Google search of trending videos today or trending videos on YouTube. You can just click on the videos tab of the search results and it will take you directly to the videos. Alternatively, you may also go to www.youtube.com/feed/trending and it will give you all the trending videos and you can even choose categories like now, music, gaming, and movies. Once you have selected a video that you think people will click and watch, you can now select that vid's link or URL and shorten it on Shrinkme Remember to allow cookies and register for a free account. You can just link your Google account to skip the form. Once you're registered, you will find your dashboard where you can monitor the total views, earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. All that's left for you to do is look for links to shorten and share it to as many people as you can. To even speed that up, Shrinkme has made it easier to post links to social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. Then you can earn money fast and just track them here in your dashboard. As you can see, it's all very doable if you just do it right. If you would like to try this out, please do remember these pointers. Do not advertise Shrinkme on traffic exchange websites and PTC/faucet websites. Also, it is super duper important that you place shortened links on websites that are clean and safe. Avoid contents that may be threatening, harassing, obscene, pornographic, or may contain viruses, Trojan horses, worms, time bombs, cancel bots, or any software which may cause damage to the viewer or the site's server. These rules are clear and simple, but sometimes they can be difficult to follow. Since the site only values organic visits, please do not offer an incentive or beg a visitor to click on your shortened links. Spamming any website, forum, or blog with the site's links is a no-no and could cause your account to be terminated. Also, you cannot click on your own shortened URLs to generate revenue. Creating multiple accounts is prohibited. Only one account per person is allowed. So, what are the things that you should do? It would be best to know your audience. Analyze what brings you the most income and what strategies you should adapt. Perhaps it may take a bit of trial and error to get many people to click your links, but once you understand what your audience is willing to click and watch, you can truly make Google money fast and generate a decent side hustle. Make use of the referral program too. They offer a commission rate of 20%. Even if you do not earn from shortening links, you still can by referring people. If you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed, make sure to smack the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. I appreciate you so much for watching till the end. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money making video.